Hi, so today I'm going to explain about a simple to-do list application where a user could add a new task and delete it. So let's move on to the coding part. Here first I have given a styling part uh, by styling the body part. Then I have used a class called container and I have styled it over here. Then I have styled the text. Then an ID called task list is used. I have styled that. Then a class called task is styled. Then for styling the text task, I have used flex grow. And finally, I have used a button, and then I have given the necessary styling here. So the first part is I have used a class called container here. Inside that, I have given heading my to-do list. Then I have given an ID called task list. Basically, it act as a container to store the task. Inside that I have given input field with an ID task input, and I have used a button, uh, and in that I have used a non-click event. Inside that I have given a function called add task. So next I am going to explain about the function add task. Here I have used two variables, task input and task list. Here basically it retrieves the HTML elements with ID task input and task list, that is task input and task list. So basically task input takes the value from the user and it is basically added into the container task list. Here in this block it checks whether the input value is empty or not. If it's empty, an alert will be displayed with please enter a task. Now I have used another variable called task div, which creates a div element. So I have used the task class also here to style the task. Now I have created a new span element. Basically it holds the text whatever the user inputs, and that will be appended to the task div. And then I have created a variable called delete button, and then I have created a new element called button element. Then using this I have given the name as delete, that is the text will be shown as delete for the button. And here I have used on click event, so that whenever a user clicks on delete, that on click event will be triggered and that task will be removed. And then finally whenever a new task is created, that will be added to the task list. And then finally it clears the input value, and then a new user could actually add another add next value. So now I'll show you the code which is run. I have already kept the code run, so this is the final output. Here I am trying to give new new text here. Consider a new task as exercise, so it will be shown here. And when I click on delete button, that's deleted. I can add multiple values. So like this I can do my to-do list application. Thank you.